So I'm spinning this out to its own YouTube besides the VOD, so I'm gonna hop over here where there's no alerts and stuff. Today's big drama on streamer Twitter is the Monstercat Gold and Twitch partnership. So if you guys didn't see this, if you guys did not see this, it is Monstercat and Twitch have partnered up that you could basically pay for Monstercat Gold for 30 days and it will fast track you to affiliate status. You can apply for affiliate status after the 30 days without having to meet the requirements that most people have to meet to hit affiliate, like the 3 viewers to 50 followers, etc., etc. You'll be able to get subs, all the normal Twitch affiliate stuff. It's a standard Twitch affiliate setup. So you start with the 3 emotes or whatever it is. And you will have subs, bits, whatever other monetization options they have by default now. I don't know if Celebrations is live for everyone. Oh, that's bad UX, Monstercat. Y'all should fix that. So this is the big drama of the day, and this has been what everybody's talking about on streamer Twitter. I personally, and I've been in a lot of discussions about this, so I'm gonna articulate how I feel about this, and not how you should feel about this, but maybe a different perspective you should look at this from that would give you more insight on why this is not a bad thing. So let's start off with, it helps more people get affiliate. Awesome. If you've been grinding for affiliate for a while and haven't been able to get it, this is your chance to get it. You know you want affiliate. You know you're going to keep streaming. Go do this and get fast-tracked. Do it. The reason it's a good thing and you should do it, if you're going to be streaming anyway, Monstercat Gold is the same as Pencil Rocks in regards to it gives you a license to stream Monstercat music on stream. This seems to be a common misconception among people that you could just play Monstercat music. If you haven't been keeping up with the news, DMCA is a big issue right now on Twitch. The music industry, like the RIAA and the UMG, are cracking down hard on Twitch. Several lawsuits going on. And as a result, we've seen a lot of creators having to handle this on their own because Twitch hasn't been able to provide good tools. This is a step to provide streamers with not good tools. Twitch still needs to come up with good tools to detect DMCA-able content and for us to content ID DMCA-able content on their platform like YouTube has in the past. But this is a good step in terms of allowing you to play music on stream that is licensed to for a sync license, because that's what you need to play music on a stream, is a sync license. This gives you a sync license to play the Monstercat library on stream without getting hit with a DMCA. So, right out the bat, this gives you, after a 30-day subscription, this is going to give you access to be monetized on Twitch, so you could start earning money and start earning back your investment into Monstercat Gold. 2 subs pays for this. It's $5 a month. 2 subs pays for Monstercat Gold. You need 2 subscribers to get that, which is a lot if you aren't already making the requirements to get affiliate, but this is a track. Affiliate, we'll get onto that train later. And then it gives you licensed music to play on your stream, and you'll never have to worry about DMCA unless you're playing in-game music, which that's a whole other story. So that is why this is a good thing. A lot of people are mad because they feel like this has taken away the accomplishment. You'll notice I put that in air quotes. The accomplishment of getting affiliate, the hard work that people put in to get affiliate, and that they feel like they're being slighted in some way. So, the way I feel about this is great. We have a fundamental problem in this industry, especially in the Twitch culture, that we, for some reason, have put Twitch affiliate on the same sort of, like, pedestal towards partner. And that is partly to blame with Twitch's marketing. People have taken this thing as an affiliate, as an accomplishment, as this thing that has, you know, it's like a path to partner. It's not. Affiliateship is not a path to partner. In no way, shape, or form is it a path to partner. It gives you monetization options. But you averaging 3 viewers and having 50 followers is nowhere near the path to partner. And it's a facade to even think so. What this does is give people like me, who have gotten to my size, who are I'm never going to be partnered on Twitch, ever. I never will be. We have people like Adam, Epos Vox. He's still not partnered on Twitter. He's only an affiliate on Twitter. It may give you, it's like not his main revenue stream, but it's the same thing. He has like 200,000 subs or something on YouTube. He's not even a Twitch partner. So it gives people who are doing this at a medium scale a monetization path, because you should be paid for your time that you put into this. You should be paid for the effort that you put into streaming. And the earlier you can get that, the more it starts paying for itself. Because this hobby isn't free. It's a fun hobby. I love doing this. I love creating content. I love streaming. I love playing video games. I love teaching people. But it's not a free hobby. And my time needs to be compensated in some way, shape, or form. And you should feel the same way. Your time is valuable. I'm not saying go out there and be like, I should be paid this, and Twitch should be giving you a better cut by default, don't get me wrong. But like, you're not entitled to that, but you should have the opportunity to earn revenue to compensate for your time. Equal opportunity for everyone across the board. The thing is, partner doesn't really give you that much point anyway. The point of partner is not the revenue anymore. The point of partner is the status symbol. Because, and this is why I think Twitch partner should be similar to Discord partnership now. You should have it taken away if you don't perform. Because this Twitch partner is a status symbol. That is the symbol that you have made it. That is the symbol that you have built a brand. And I'm not saying that you can't have a brand built without like Twitch partnership. I have a brand. It's pretty fucking defined. Adam has a brand. It's pretty defined. But if your sole focus is Twitch streaming, that partner checkpoint is a validation of your brand, and that your brand is successful in a way. It's not the echelon of successful, but it is a metric of success. So we really need to stop giving Twitch affiliate this pedestal, and we need to devalue it as a community. Because ethically, you should be paid for your time. I see the argument on Twitter a lot that I see a moral argument. Moral and ethics are two different things. Morals and ethics are two very separate things. Morals are very personal. Ethics are business. People are like, you should earn it like everyone else. No, you shouldn't. It should be given. It's a low barrier to entry anyway. Let people monetize if they want to monetize. Because guess what? Being able to monetize doesn't grow your viewership. Being able to monetize does not make you more popular. It does not put you above someone else. Being able to monetize simply allows you to recoup the time and effort you put into being a streamer, which you deserve. You deserve the opportunity to do that. I'm going to keep coming back to that. So that's the way I feel about it. Twitch affiliate has no value. I always see people that are like, I cried when I got affiliate. They should be special. You've been conned into thinking that then. Twitch affiliate is not valuable. It is not a valuable metric. And I say that knowing that 80% of streamers, 80 to 90% of streamers do not get more than one viewer. Like, that's just a fact. I know a lot of the people in this are like 1-2 viewers or more, and like don't think about that because like, they watch these YouTubes, they watch creators like me on YouTube, they watch people like Ashley Christ and Epos Vox and Harris Heller, and they think, you know, everyone knows this stuff, but we don't. That's why we make these videos. That's why people like me make these videos, is so that more people can learn and have more access to tools, because the vast majority of smaller streamers don't know these things and don't have access to them and just remain in the dark the majority of their careers until they decide to give up. And that's why I create content, so less people decide to give up and realize that I may not make this big and make this my living, but it can be a hobby that sustains itself. That is the whole fucking point of what I teach. So trying to regain my train of thought. There's going to be some editing to this video. So, trying to regain my train of thought. So at the end of the day, like, we need to devalue Twitch affiliate ship, because we've done the same thing to other affiliate programs. Every fucking stream coach on the planet, myself included, tells you that affiliate programs are a scam and you shouldn't do them. Like Razor's affiliate program. I was about to say Nerd or Dies, but Nerd or Dies is actually really good. I get like 20%, like out of the gate. But like Razor's and Gamer Subs and G Fuel and all of those sorts of affiliate programs that give you like a 1-2% cut for pimping out their product for free aren't worth it. Why do we preach Twitch affiliate ship is any different? And that's something we need to think about as a culture. And you can disagree with me all you want, but that doesn't change the fact that we can't be calling affiliate ships with other programs terrible while praising and uplifting the Twitch affiliate program all the same. Twitch gives creators a terrible cut on ads, on subs, on every other revenue stream they give us. The only thing we get in full is bits. And they're even going to start taking that away with celebrations. Quote me on this. With celebrations being active, bits will go away. I think bits are going to go away. Quote me on that. That's a whole other different subject. Also, you also pay the payout affiliate fee for an affiliate. You get hit with both of those either way, Cypher. I mean, taxes as a partner too. Like, that part's not a problem to me. Like, those little minutia things are not a problem to me because you're paying for that tax anyway. That's like the point I'm trying to get across is Twitch affiliate is not valuable and you should not covet it. Because it's not worth coveting. It's not special. So the next part of this is people are like, well, this doesn't fix the DMCA problems. And you are entirely correct. Monstercat and Twitch partnering does not fix the DMCA problems. Do you want to know what it does do? What it does do is it saves Twitch time and money combating the DMCA lawsuits they are getting from smaller streamers getting DMCA claims. Because Twitch has to pay for that shit. Even if they take the content down, they're still getting hit in the wallet. Which, whatever, affects Jeff Bezos' wallet. But you got to remember, if a project fails, Jeff Bezos will cut it. And we don't want to see Twitch go away. As much as I may hate Amazon and hate what Jeff Bezos has done with the company, Twitch going away would be a bad thing for the industry. So, the reason that Monstercat Gold partnering with Twitch is important is because it will be advertised to small streamers, people who have 1 or 2 viewers that haven't hit affiliate status. This tweet went viral on streamer Twitter, so smaller affiliates who were just slightly involved in streamer Twitter have seen this now. And what this does is it creates this monetization to the onboarding process that will allow smaller streamers who may not be aware of all these laws and rules to inadvertently start using this licensed music that will result in less DMCA claims towards Twitch, which saves them money, which saves your ass as a creator to stop you from getting DMCA and possibly losing your channel. Like, there's a lot of positives to this, and I cannot see one valid negative besides it invalues my hard work. You didn't work that hard for affiliate. If it took you 2 years to get to affiliate, you weren't good enough. And this is another thing I talked about is not everyone has it. Not a lot of the stream gurus will tell you, will talk to you about this shit, and I will be one of the few to tell you because I'm not a stream guru. I am a tech help person. Not everybody will make it. Statistically, you will never get partnered. Even more statistically, you probably won't earn affiliate because you're not providing valuable content. And there's plenty of other channels out there that will teach you how to provide valuable, engaging content. I'm not it. Until you can create something that someone needs, until you have a product or service that someone needs, you will not grow. You will not succeed. And that's just a fact. That is business. I'm sorry if you were hearing this first from me and no one else had the guts to tell you before, but you will probably not make it, and I'm sorry. That does not mean you should quit streaming. I've been doing this for 10 goddamn years and I still average 10 viewers. Like, I do this because I love to teach the people I can. I love the friends that I've made and the connections that I'm allowed to make every day when I stream or create content. That is in itself valuable enough to me. It's up to you to determine if that's valuable for you. But if you are in this to get big, be the next Ninja, even be a mid-range streamer with 200 to 300 viewers, you will probably not make it, and that is just the fact. Chat says making is just code for you caught a lucky streak. No, making it is code for you caught a lucky streak and you had the tools available to you to monetize and maintain it. I got lucky. I used to average 300 to 400 viewers playing fucking Minecraft in 2014. I was one of the very first Mixer partners ever because of my connections. I was not able to maintain and capitalize on the business opportunities that I had at the time to maintain and continue to grow. And that's on my own failures for not learning more back then when it happened. Luck is a huge part of this industry. That is correct. But learning to capitalize and continue that momentum from that luck is just as important. So all in all, Monstercat deal is a good thing for Twitch. It's a good thing for smaller streamers. Devalue what you think of Twitch affiliateship because it has no value and it realistically means nothing except for a path to monetization. You probably won't make it as a streamer, but that's okay. Keep doing it if you love it. And fourthly, go to nerdordie.com/Cassie_joy. That's it for the day of this video. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click that thumbs up, that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.